Blasting a campaign on Mailchimp involves creating and sending a mass email to your audience. Here's a concise guide to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log in with your credentials. Create a campaign. Click on Campaigns in the main dashboard. Click the Create Campaign button and select Email from the options. Set up campaign details. Enter a campaign name and select the type of email. Click Begin to start creating your campaign. Choose recipients. In the To section, choose the audience or segment you want to send the email to. You can target your entire audience or a specific segment based on your criteria. Configure campaign settings. In the From section, set the name and email address that will appear to recipients. In the Subject section, craft an engaging subject line and optional preview text. Design your email. Click Design Email to use Mailchimp's email builder. Choose a template and customize it with your content, images, and links. Review and test. Click Preview and test to see how your email will look and function. Send a test email to yourself to ensure everything displays correctly. Send your campaign. Once satisfied, click Continue to review the campaign summary. Click Send to blast your campaign immediately or schedule it for a later date.